So right now we can see the Altura EC. Actually, they already started doing the interior. See, this is one of the unit here. So all the way to the top floor unit. Still haven't finished yet. Okay, let's see, the other one is the Lumina Grand. Lumina Grand, most of the block already completed their top floor units here. Actually, now it's super noisy. This is the Lumina Grand. Top floor is already completed. Okay, I think both of the project will be TOP at about the same time. Okay, right now I'm standing at the roof garden, just right opposite of the Lumina Grand and the Altura EC. Okay, on the left hand side here, this one is the Altura EC and this is the Lumina Grand EC. So look, if you refer back to the site plan, this is the tennis court area and this one is the tennis court of the Lumina Grand. So there are some balance units available. For the Altura EC right now, we still have 5-bedroom units available. And then for the Lumina Grand right now, we still have 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom unit choice. Take a closer look.